Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the brand new Motorola Razr Ultra 2025, available through AT&T Prepaid. This is Motorola's latest flip-style flagship that brings top-tier power, sleek design, and the nostalgia of the classic Razr with a modern twist. The Razr Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. There's no microSD card slot, but that's plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. The inner display measures about 7 inches with a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, while the outer cover display lets you reply to messages, use apps, and take selfies without unfolding the phone. For cameras, Motorola equipped the Razr Ultra with a triple 50-megapixel system that delivers crisp detail and vivid color. It's powered by Motorola's Moto AI, which helps improve low-light performance and enhances clarity in both photos and videos. Battery life is rated for up to 36 hours on a single charge, and the phone supports 68-watt turbo power charging for quick top-ups. The build quality is premium, with a titanium-reinforced hinge, IP48 water and dust resistance, and a soft-touch design that looks and feels luxurious. Color options include Pantone Rio Red and Pantone Scarab, giving it a bold, modern look. Now let's talk about price. The Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 is priced at $1,319.99 full retail on AT&T Prepaid. There are no contracts, no credit checks, and no installment plans. You simply pay the full price up front and pair it with any AT&T Prepaid plan that fits your needs. That means you get premium performance and freedom from long-term commitments. Performance-wise, the Razr Ultra flies through tasks with ease. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and 16 GB of RAM make multitasking smooth and responsive. Motorola's software is clean, and the external display adds real convenience for quick interactions. Battery life easily lasts a full day, and the fast charging is a nice bonus for busy users. As for drawbacks, the phone doesn't offer expandable storage or a headphone jack. And like most foldables, hinge durability over time is something to keep in mind. Still, the overall package is impressive for anyone wanting a powerful flip phone experience. So, is the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 worth it? If you love the foldable design and want a premium, no-contract smartphone with top specs, this might be one of the best prepaid options of the year. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see a full review or camera test of the Razr Ultra 2025, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next one.